think that looks super cute. Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta, and today I'm going to be working on some craft activities from Beebeecraft. I will pop a link to my original unboxing up in the eye so that you can check out the whole process for yourselves. But I thought it was about time I got something made with these items. So here we go. Okay, so I want to look at these pens. And these are designed so that this part of the pen can be filled and personalised and made to look as unique and different as you would like it to. Now the kit comes with these little pearls. However, I was also thinking it would be a great opportunity to deal with some of my spare drills. Whenever I'm working on a diamond painting and I decide I don't want to keep the drills for a future diamond painting project, the drills get popped into here. So this is quite a mishmash. However, I just want to see what they will look like. I'm going to pop a diamond painting tray underneath. I want to see what they would look like if they were in here. I've got a little tiny funnel. We will have a look. So let's pop some of these inside and see how that looks. Oops. Do well to hold it up. We're getting a real mix of colours, and it doesn't really matter what spills into the tray. Right, okay, we are over full now. So let's just have a look at that. So that is our spare drills, and then you can just pop the little bung in the top, attach that to the pen. And there, I think you've got quite a nice, stylish pen there. And obviously, you could change those out whenever you wanted to. I do want to try the pearls that came with the kit, although they do seem incredibly static. So hopefully that won't prove to be too much of a problem. So, as I say, this is what comes with the kit. But the point of these kits is to allow you self-expression and to do whatever you fancy. So let's have a look at this pen. Works in the same way. Little bung. And then let's try and choose the ones that are the least. They are probably not going to go down there, I don't think. But we'll see. No, that answers that question. The large size ones do not. In fact, that might be better. We'll try it that way. The larger ones are just easier to do by hand. So let's get those last few in there. So it's interesting to note that each little sort of compartment's worth of pearls that they give you is enough to fill one pen. Obviously you can mix and match the colours as you wish. And again, I think that looks super cute. So those are the pen options, and obviously you can add whatever you want. So something that I wanted to test out is whether we could get floating pieces inside the pen. So for this, I have got these leaves, sort of autumnal colours, and so I'm going to grab some of those and pop them in, and I think probably more is going to be better than less. So we'll go for a couple of pinches of the orange because I think that will go nice with the rose gold of the pen. I'm making quite a mess, but that's fine. That's future me's problem. And some brown ones as well. Again, the kit comes with some pipettes, so I'm just going to add some water. Using the pipette. Pop the bung back in. Just see how that reacts. So it may need, I think we need probably a bit more water. And in fact, what I'm also going to add is just a touch of isopropyl alcohol, just because I am concerned that if the water sort of goes bad, so we want to try and stop any of that from happening. So just a few drops of alcohol. The only thing that may happen as a result of that is that we might find that the colour leaches from these confetti leaves, but we will see. Just get that mixed up. Yeah, there we go, that's. And I think I do want to leave a bit of an air bubble in there, maybe to help move things around, but I can probably fit a little bit more water in. Right. Okay, so we attach this back to the pen. And obviously, if you were making these to sell, I would highly recommend you glue or use resin to seal those bungs so that there's not going to be a problem. But there we have it. I like that a lot. So I'm just gonna autumn leaves falling as you write. I think that's very pretty indeed. So that is just a couple of suggestions of different ways to use the fill your own pen kits from Beebeecraft. I hope that you've enjoyed seeing these today, and if you have a go at making your own, do let me know. Share your pictures on the Crafty Coven so that we can all share in your creativity, or pop on over to Patreon where you can find lots of us over there as well. So thank you to everybody for supporting this channel, for joining this video, and specifically to those of you who help me over on Patreon. You mean the absolute world. Big, big loves. That is all from me for today. Do remember to pop on over to Beebeecraft and use my code so that you can take advantage of my discount. Do all those YouTubey things, like, share with a friend, subscribe if you haven't already, become a member of the Crafty Coven. And until next time, stay crafty.